Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to remove data validation in Excel. So let's start this in Excel, and here you can see I have data, the product list and status column. In this status column, you can see when I click on this first cell, you can see the drop down list is showing. Just click on this arrow and here the drop down list here is showing. It means here the already applied the data validation for the drop down list. Okay, so here I'm going to remove this data validation. For that, simply select the range of cells and go to the data tab. In data tools, in data validation, just click on this drop down arrow. Click on the first option, data validations, and here the dialog box is open. In settings tab, in validation criteria, you can see the already set here the some criteria. In allow the list and source, the showing the list of the status. You can see in this column, those status is showing the pending completed. Okay, in progress is showing the list of here in source. Okay, so I'm going to remove this data validation. For that, simply click on the clear all and click on the OK, and that's it. Now you can see when I click on this first cell, the data validation drop down list is not showing. Okay, so that's it. This is a way you can remove the data validation in Excel. Hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.